India Omnichannel Forum presents a very brief, crisp walkthrough. This is with insights and a demonstration on how you can deliver a highly personalized experience to omnichannel shoppers. Coming up, a brief session on marketing automation for a personalized omnichannel retail experience delivered by Veerchand Bothra, Chief Innovation Officer, Netcore Solutions. Mr. Bothra. Hi, how are you? All yours.
So it's my pleasure to be speaking on MarTech at this forum. The topic that we are going to talk about is fusion of marketing and technology, that is MarTech, and how it is becoming important in the mobile world to deliver a personalized experience to your audience. So I'm sure you have heard in the last 2 days a lot about the age of the customer, and it is indeed truly the age of the customer. So the balance of power has shifted, to the customer side. So with a device like mobile phone and social sharing, the customer is all powerful. He has information at his fingertips, available to him in real time. He knows what are his options. So today, no longer information is something that the brand can boast of. It is with the customer. And it is also about ubiquitous commerce, right? So today, commerce is not happening at the store level. We all know this. It can happen at a railway station. It can happen on the go, when the customer is at home, anywhere. So it's the age of ubiquitous commerce. And something that I want to talk about is this world where we are talking about a personalized experience, the segment of one. So that is the world of MarTech. So increasingly, marketing as a function is getting disrupted because of two things. A, the customer is digital. Customer is empowered. Customer has a device which connects him to other customers. And B, because marketing technology as an area in the last 4 or 5 years has evolved to an extent where you can offer a personalized experience to every customer. You're no longer banking on segments and mass marketing. Because of these two reasons, the marketing in the next few years is going to be completely disrupted. So marketers today, they are no longer chief marketing officers. They are chief marketing technologists. So an understanding of technology is necessary, imperative for the marketer. So it's going to be an amalgamation of two roles, CMO plus CIO. Why? Because you have to deliver a personalized experience to the customer. No longer the customer will be happy with receiving general offers at any time. It is something that he wants now and relevant to him. So this is a great quote by Martha Rogers that in absence of communication among your customers, advertising rules. That is what we have been seeing in the last 100 years. But once your customers communicate with each other, it's the customer experience that counts. So how is marketing going to be in a mobile world? Speed. Doing a marketing campaign, having a marketing campaign for a month, seeing the reports, the turnaround time, going back. I think the unit of a month or a week is no longer relevant. We have all heard about real-time marketing, how it is important to react, when the customer is in a need at the right time. So speed is going to be very important. And reach, because of the mobile phone. See, try and imagine a world where 2 years down the line, majority of the phones are smartphones. It's going to be a very different world, something that we have not been used to, at least in India. We thought, internet is something that the West really has, but no. Today, we are talking about a world where there are 350 million mobile users in India, and the trajectory is that smartphones are going to be the majority of phones that are going to be sold in India in about 18 months. So in that world, when there are smartphones, there is ubiquitous connectivity available to the customer. Reach is now possible, mass reach for a retailer. And then relevance. Because now that every brand is going to be able to reach the customer is going to be bombarded with offers or information. So you have to be relevant to him. So these are three important things as we go ahead in a mobile world. There's another very important development that is happening in MarTech, that is in marketing technology, is Linuxification. So what is Linuxification? If you look at it, cost of reaching the customers is falling. Today you can reach a customer, the cost of reaching one customer through a social or mobile is negligible. Cost of data and storage is falling. Again, very, very important, because to be able to deal with all the data that a digital device generates, it's very cheap today to be able to store and process data. And there are technologies like Hadoop, Cassandra, available today to be able to help you with that. And these are all open source technologies. So cloud, SaaS, DIY tools for measurement, analytics, insights, DIY tools. A marketer, a non-technology person can use today visualization tools, which are completely, self-serve. So there's no learning curve. You are not dependent on developers or technology people for insights. Again, it's an age of real-time analytics. So we are moving into an age where, advertising and marketing is not dominated by madmen, as they say it. Not just the creative folks. It's about mathmen. So it's a reskilling that the marketing team is going to be, or the business team is going to need. So marketing, as I said, marketing is now a technical discipline, not just a creative one. And some of the skills that a marketer has to acquire are tech, data, digital content. What is this new form of content that is there? Analytics. But very important, frequent iteration is now possible. Because see, for a marketer, we all know that there's no rule book that this is how it's going to work. Marketers experiment, they see something that is working, and they put more money behind it. But now, frequent iterative marketing is possible. And mass personalization is no longer an oxymoron. So just to elaborate on that quote, this is a great quote by Ram Charan about mass personalization. Try and imagine that there is one sales rep for every customer who walks into your store. Personalized. This guy knows him, says, "Welcome, Veer. How are you doing? You have come after a long time." Imagine that kind of personalization, that kind of service for every customer of yours. That is possible. So MarTech is a concept. It can help at every stage, whether it is at the stage of lead qualification, nurturing, recycling. Recycling is, dormant customers, dropped customers, lapsed customers. You can recycle those leads. Customer onboarding, engagement. So at every stage, of your customer's life cycle, MarTech will help. But there are three principles of MarTech that we have to remember. The first and foremost is unified view of the customer. So for that, I think the biggest challenge, and all the CIOs know about it, is integration of data that is in silos and enrichment of through third-party data. This will lead to a unified view of the customer, and that is the starting point. Then the other important thing is cross-channel communication. In India, we all know that SMS is one form of communication to be able to reach a customer, but Indians, we use a missed call, we use an outbound voice call. There is a possibility of reaching him through WhatsApp. Then there is email now. One thing that people don't realize is that India is an Android country. Okay, smartphones in India are, most of them are on Android. And with every Android phone comes a Gmail box. So the proliferation of Gmail, or therefore email in India, is huge. And in the last 2 years, things have changed. Your ability to reach a customer through email is now there. Email is no longer a foreign channel. It is there on every device. Every customer, every Android phone has a Gmail account. And now you can reach that customer through rich communication. Email is a rich medium. So cross-channel communication is a very important should be an important part of your strategy. And then there is data-driven personalization. Data is of various sort. Transactional data is already there with the brand or the retailer. Profile data, you have to collect. Behavioral data. Again, one of the things that we forget is in the digital age, there is a lot of behavioral data that you get, but you ignore. What is the customer doing on your website? What is he doing in your app? Is he opening your email or not opening your email? What kind of time is he spending on a voice call? This is all customer behavior data. So that data, customer activity data is there. but people ignore that. And then there is social data. So the three principles are unified view of a customer, cross-channel automation, and data-driven personalization. So what are the 5 imperatives of MarTech? Just to expand on these 3 points. You have to collect data at every touch point. I think this must have been stressed. I don't want to repeat and bore you with that. But when you collect data at every touch point, you are able to build a unified view of the customer. And then you have to use that data and that profile of the customer to personalize. That is very important. What content you are sending to your customer, it has to be personalized and contextual. Communicate through multiple channels, we have talked about that, and then based on that, predictive analytics. So through MarTech, what you have to start doing is, start imagining workflows. So this is a workflow. Netcore is a product in this area called as MarTech. We are India's largest integrated communication company. We help brands connect with customers. Now look at this. This is a screen that a marketer will have to deal with now. So this screen defines a customer journey and various decision points within a customer journey. So these are a couple of case studies, but in the interest of time, we'll skip talking about these. But just to quickly talk about again, look at the workflow side. See how we are talking about a customer based on his customer behavior. There are various different paths that a customer could take. Now this is something that is very much possible without crores of investment. Today, as I said, it is Linuxification of technology already going on in MarTech. So such a scenario, building such a workflow, making sure that you are able to deal with a customer journey based on customer's behavior, it's within the reach. This is just to share a technology landscape. This is by a person called as, who blogs on Chief MarTech. This is a technology landscape. So of course nothing is visible, but these are the technologies in marketing that are available to a marketer today. Again, another stack, marketing stack that is there. Now you can think that maybe a e-commerce player would require these kind of technologies. But even a brick and mortar store today doesn't only compete with another brick and mortar store. They compete with e-commerce. And the e-commerce players are agile. They are at the forefront in adoption of technologies and innovation. So a traditional retailer or a marketer will also be forced to adopt these technologies, and for good. So I want to leave you with these 3 points on collecting data at every touch point, customer data, and through that data building a unified view of every customer, and then thinking journeys, thinking workflows, because only then it is possible to deliver personalized and relevant and contextual experience to every customer. So that's all I have to talk, and on that note, I'd like to open it for questions, if any. So either I was very convincing or totally confusing. Okay, thanks a lot for your time. Thanks for your patience.